welcome to MagicDoor tutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how to quickly send an announcement. So first you'll want to log in, and then on the left side navigation, click Communications. Then click Announcements, and here you can see all your announcements that you have sent, and you can easily click this button in the upper right hand corner, Add Announcement. Here you can choose your target for the announcement, whether that's a certain type of lease, a tenant, owners, or vendors. And within these, you can also choose the portfolio, a property, or a specific unit. You can scroll and select, or you can just type it out. Select your property, unit, or portfolio and press next. Here you can drag and drop files, whether this is a photo or any sort of file you want to add to this announcement. Here you have the option for a chat message or for an email message, or to do both. So type out your message, drop your files, and then add a subject line. Then press next. Here you can review the content, if it's a chat, email message, or both, your subject line, who you're sending it to, and your target type, as well as any filters that you selected. Then just press finish, and your announcement has been sent successfully. Then if you go to announcements, you can see that announcement that I just sent, and you can click on it to review.